Hey, did you hear that Stefan Löfven is retiring? And that Socialdemokraterna will have a new party leader?
Thank goodness, I couldn't stand that guy.
What? How could you say that? That's such a horrible thing to say. I'm shocked.
How was that bad?
Well, you basically said that you hate poor people? Like, you're such an idiot. We can't be friends anymore.
Was this a productive conversation? If you want to change someone's mind, calling them names and making them feel dumb will never work. What can you say instead? You can follow the LARA method. L. Listen to what they have to say.
Thank goodness, I couldn't stand that guy.
Why couldn't you stand him?
Because he always wanted high taxes. I felt like I couldn't save for my family.
A. Affirm what they have said.
It seems like you were worried that the taxes were so high you couldn't be successful.
Exactly.
R. Respond to what they have said.
I agree that the taxes were pretty high, but we do get a lot of things for those taxes, like stew the bit dog, free lunch, we get to go to school for free. There's a lot of good things.
I guess I hadn't thought about it that way.
A. Add or ask if you think anything hasn't been covered.
So, can we agree that Stefan Löfven wasn't so bad? Not having money is what's bad?
I can agree to that.